Can you see? I'm turning the spoon on.
Let's see.
Look what I'm doing, Emma.
Yeah, push it. Look. Okay, do it.
Well, you flip.
Yeah, what is that, man? Yeah. My brother's stirring it now. I stirred it and then I had it put on, so yeah, he's stirring it. I don't know where we're supposed to go because it all looks like a circle.
Tell me if the duck is bottom, please.
Okay, Daniel, turn it. There, turn it. Here, push. Good. So yeah, we don't want the boat. I think it's been 20 minutes and we're supposed to be in half a minute. So half an hour. So yeah, I feel like 10 minutes we should be getting on. And then the next 10 will be getting on. I think this probably... Okay, this is a question for you. You see this dad, let them see this boat, yeah? The whole boat, yeah? How much do you think it is? If it's £100 if it's close, because I know how much money it is. So this is a question. And if you get it right, then yeah, that would be awesome. So yeah, how much do you think this boat costs? I know how much it is cost together. I know how much one cost. So yeah, put it in the comments. And yeah, this is just a little question. I want you guys to answer. So yeah, bye guys. Peace. So now it's over to my dad. Bye.
Daniel, go sit down there. Go.
Go and have a go. Then we'll go back. Yeah, let Daniel steer.
Can you let me steer by?
I want to see what number it is.
If my leg will get big, my
We
leg
have to
will
be
not
number
work.
7. Bye guys. Dad, now's your turn.